Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good and staying home. I know it is very hard to stay inside, and I also know you all will be missing the school. Isn't it, children? Don't you all miss the school? And that is why we are here to teach you through fun videos. Okay, now, children, will you all take your notebooks and pencils and get ready for the class? Let's get started. We'll study, play, and have fun activities together. Today, we will all be learning mathematics. What is mathematics? Mathematics is the study about numbers. What are numbers, children? Numbers are nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, and etc. Where do we find them? We find them almost everywhere. Can you think about some examples of where you can find them? Yes, very good. I'll tell you some examples of where you can find numbers, mobile phones, clock, etc. Those are some examples of where you can find numbers. Today, we'll be learning more about numbers. Children, do you all know your parents' phone numbers? If yes, very good. I really appreciate that. If no, please learn or know your parents' phone numbers. It is very important. Let's start with numbers. Will you all repeat after me? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Once again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. What do we see here, children? We see a cat, a dog, and a rabbit. Now, the question is, which animal is in between cat and rabbit? Yes, dog is in between cat and rabbit. Shall we move on to the next one? What do we see here, children? We see the sun, the star, and the moon. Now, the question is, what is in between sun and moon? Yes, star is in between sun and moon. Have you all understood, children? Shall we move on to the next one? What do we see here, children? We see a mango, an apple, and a banana. Now the question is, which fruit is in between mango and banana? An apple is in between mango and banana. Have you all understood, children? Now I will show you an interesting video. Please listen and watch carefully.
Look at this garden. There are so many beautiful flowers. Today, we are going to learn numbers between with the help of these beautiful flowers. Can you see the pink roses? Every pink rose has a number. You can see numbers 2 and 4 on the pink roses. Which number is in between them? 3. Thus, number 3 comes between 2 and 4.
Children, what do we see here? We see teddy bears with numbers on them. But I can see a teddy bear with a number missing, isn't it, children? Now, will you all help me to find the missing number? For that, we will have to count in order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please count one number forward. After 5, 6. After 6, 7. Now, number 6 comes in between 5 and 7. Have you all understood, children? What number comes in between 1 and 3? To find the number, we will start counting in the order 0, 1. Please count one number forward. After 1, 2. After 2, 3. Number 2 comes in between 1 and 3. Have you all got it, children? Shall we move on to the next one? Here is another example. What number comes in between 7 and 9? To know that number, we will count in order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please count one number forward. After 7, 8. After 8, 9. 8 comes in between 7 and 9. Have you all got it, children? Between numbers, the number which comes in middle of two numbers which are in order is said to be between numbers. We all saw many examples of between numbers and things. Here are more examples of between numbers. The first example is, what number comes in between 3 and 5? To know the number, we will count in order. 0, 1, 2, 3. Please count one number forward. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. 4 is in between 3 and 5. Have you all got it, children? Shall we move on to the next one? The next example is, what number comes in between 12 and 14? To find this, we will count in order. We will start counting from number 10. 10, 11, 12. Please count one number forward. After 12, 13. After 13, 14. So, number 13 comes in between 12 and 14. Have you all understood, children? Children, now let's all play a game. I will show you some more examples of between numbers based on objects that are used on a daily basis. Are you ready, children? This is a mobile phone. In mobile phone, we have numbers in the dial pad. You can see the numbers in the dial pad, isn't it, children? Shall we all count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, in between 1 and 3, we have number 2. And in between 4 and 6, we have number 5. And in between 7 and 9, we have number 8. Have you all understood, children? The next example of in-between numbers is a clock. We use a clock to see the time. Isn't it, children? In the clock, we have numbers from 1 to 12. Now, in between 1 and 3, we have number 2. In between 3 and 5 we have number 4. And in between 5 and 7 we have number 6. Between 7 and 9 we have number 8. And in between 9 and 11 we have number 10. Have you all got it, children? How to write your classwork notes? If you do not have checkline notebooks like this, you can use a piece of paper or your rough notebook. On the left hand side corner of the page, we will write today's date. Today's date is 4th of May 2020. After writing the date, we will write today's topic between numbers. Followed by that, we will write C.W in the right hand side corner of the page, which stands for class work. The work which we do in the class will be written as class work. The first question is, what number comes in between 7 and 9? For this, we will count in order to find the answer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please count one number forward. After 7, 8. After 8, 9. Number 8 comes in between 7 and 9. Have you all got it, children? Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. What number comes in between 3 and 5? For this, we will count in order to find the answer. 0, 1, 2, 3. Please count one number forward. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. Number 4 comes in between 3 and 5. Moving on to the next one. The next question is, what number comes in between 12 and 14? For this, we will count from number 10. 10, 11, 12. Please count one number forward. After 12, 13. After 13, 14. So, number 13 comes in between 12 and 14. The last question is, what number comes in between 10 and 12? For this, we will start counting from 10. After 10, 11. After 11, 12. Now, number 11 comes in between 10 and 12. Have you all understood, children? Children, now it's time for some fun activities. Are you all ready, children? Shall we do it? Children, here are some questions for you to practice between numbers. The first question is, what number comes in between 3 and 5? We will count in order to find the answer. 0, 1, 2, 3. Please count one number forward. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. So, number 4 comes in between 3 and 5. The next question is, what number comes in between 15 and 17? Now, we will count in order to find the answer. We will start counting from number 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Please count one number forward. After 15, 16. After 16, 17. So, number 16 comes in between 15 and 17. Have you all got it, children? Shall we move on to the next one? The next question is, what number comes in between 0 and 2? For this, we will start counting in order. 0. Please count one number forward. After 0, 1. After 1, 2. So, number 1 comes in between 0 and 2. Have you all got it, children? Shall we move on to the next one? What number comes in between 12 and 13? For this, we will count in order to find the answer. We will start counting from number 10. 10, 11. Please count one number forward. After 11, 12. After 12, 13. So number 12 comes in between 11 and 13. Have you all got it, children? Children, here are some worksheets to practice at home. This is practice paper 1. Children, please do these questions with help of your parents and also check your answers with help of your parents. This is practice paper 2. Please do these questions with help of your parents and also check your answers with help of your parents. This is practice paper 3. Please do these questions with help of your parents and also check your answers with help of your parents. Thank you, children. We will come back with more fun and interesting videos. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Please wash your hands, stay at home and have fun activities with your parents, and also maintain social distancing while you go out. Thank you, children. Take care.